Welcome to Express Service at Thomas Cumberland. Our factory-trained Express Service technicians are ready when you are, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. until 4:30 p.m. with no appointment necessary. Express services include oil changes, tire rotations, filter and wiper blade replacements, and additional minor maintenance of any make or model. With every service, we include a complimentary multi-point inspection and automatic car wash of your vehicle. Our dedicated service team will get you safely back on the road as quickly as possible. When you're ready for Express Service, simply pull into the service drive where you'll be greeted by our team. Our Express Service Advisor will take the time to understand your concerns and vehicle needs. Or get the same expert service with added convenience by scheduling complimentary vehicle pickup and delivery to your home or office. If you'll be waiting with us during your service, enjoy our comfortable lounge areas with complimentary extra touches like a coffee bar, Wi-Fi, cable TV, and more. No appointments, competitive pricing, and friendly express service at Thomas, where it's all about Y.O.U.